Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Going into the weekend, I really kind of want to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and just focus on 2 levels going into next week because they're definitely the key overall levels from a technical perspective. The first one is we'll talk some support, and this support is more so kind of the overall support via this trend line here. And not to insult your intelligence, but this trend line is important because the only reason I was able to draw it at that angle is because over time the bulls have been slowly and methodically working their way upward. So if you want to picture these as stair steps, the bulls are in the stair step business right now, and these stair steps are progressing upwards. So a much easier way to gauge, the health of the stair stepping business is just watch that orange line right there. Again, call it a trend line. As long as the price stays above that trend line, because notice that trend line keeps on increasing, that implies that the price is also increasing. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So as far as the overall health of the bulls, hey, as long as the price stays above that orange line, that implies they're putting in higher lows, and that's what you want to see. On the flip side of things, where's kind of public enemy number one going into next week in regards to levels of resistance? That is the purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And this is all based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see back here in the history of the chart, the purple line there was doing a great job of acting as support. However, when the price broke below it right there, this is now why you would expect it to act as resistance. If the price can push through that purple line, then the next key level of resistance is the big brother, the 200-period moving average sitting up there at 207. But one step at a time, and that first step resistance-wise is getting up above that purple line there, the 50-period. All in all, though, nice overall chart. As I've shown, the bulls are quietly and methodically working their way upwards, and as long as the price stays above that orange trend line, that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.